Is there anything more delicious than baking bread in your camp area? And you see I have my little cast iron pot down there, and this is a ready mix recipe here, which I shall put up, but also just add water and it's ready to go, and all these dry ingredients. And this is a very, very simple recipe, and a lot of people would know this and use this, and it's wonderful. You get a lovely little piece of wonderful country cooking, and you can just knead it up in your pot or whatever, mix it all up. Shape it up, and it's going to be ready for the pot. But I had this fire lighting for a while, so I have plenty of embers for my lovely, lovely, lovely little pot. And I won't need much heat underneath, a little bit, but most of the heat I want from the top. And of course, you see, this lid is, I can really, very hot, so be very careful. And of course, I always save a little bit of flour to put on the bottom of the pot to stop everything from sticking properly. And as you see, I'm going to put a bit of heat underneath, and a lot of heat from one side, but I will rotate the pot. But what I am going to do is lots of these really hot embers, throw them on top. And just leave it alone. So as you see, absolutely perfect. Some locally bought jam, and it's always good to support locals, shop local and everything like that. And this was made and given to a little cafe in a town. It's voluntary run, so they're the type of place everybody should be supporting. So let's get this jam onto this bread. Is there anything more?